Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder with Bitcoin, it is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, let's just say Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video as relevant as possible. And I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart whenever you are actually watching the video. Bitcoin continues to make a very, very solid move. And I've been tracking this one now for pretty much every single day, and the move just keeps on going and going and going. But the big thing now going forward, and the big question going into next week, revolves fully around this line up here, the famous 200 period moving average. Whoops, let me try that again. Grab the arrow. There we go. The 200 moving average, which on my chart is being denoted by that pink line right there. And even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is down below it, it tends to act as resistance, and that is exactly what played out here. So that segues perfectly into the first question that you're going to want to ask yourself. So let's just go with the Sunday afternoon example. So let's say you're watching this Sunday afternoon. Question number one is simply, where is the price at relative to the 200 period moving average, or to assign a value to it? Where is it at relative to 10,600? If you're answering the question that the price is up above 10,600, well, that's telling you that, hey, a breakout has occurred, and now it's just a question of, can the price stay up above 10,600 at that point? Now, a little bit of gut instincts, common sense goes a long way. I mean, if you're answering the question, well, right now, Clay, the price is at 11,000. Well, that would tell you that, yeah, not only has the breakout happened, but the breakout has gotten that much stronger. So from that point of view, from that angle, the further the price is up above 10,600, I mean, that just tells you the stronger, the breakout has been, and, the more bullish the weekend has been, the higher the price is up above that area. Now, on the flip side of things, if you're answering the question, well, Clay, the price is still down below the pink line there, that doesn't mean anything's ruined. That doesn't mean, anything of that nature. It would just mean that the price is still consolidating, assuming you're not saying, well, Clay, not only is the price down below this pink line still, but now all of a sudden, Clay, it's down below this area all the way down here at 9,600. At that point, that's, basically a mini crash. And I highly doubt you're going to be answering it that way. But as long as the price is above that area, I mean, if you think about it, let's say that the price is, pulled down here and you're watching it, and right now it's at, 9,900. Well, even at 9,900, still stop and think about what that would give you. That would give you a low right there. You'd have these lows down there. And if you envision these as stair steps, big picture wise, these stair steps are still going in the upwards direction. So again, I just want to reiterate, it's not like if you're answering the question that the price is still down below, that the 200 period moving average, that something's wrong with the chart. No, nothing can go straight up. That would just be, consolidation at that point. But overall, the main key level that everybody and their, monkey's uncle is going to be watching is up there at that 200 period moving average. So let's see if the price can get the break or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.